Hey everyone! Welcome back to Learn English Easy with me. I'm Mia from Canada.
And I'm Henry from the United States. Today's topic is Speak English at the Restaurant.
Restaurants are part of everyday life, whether it's a quick lunch with friends, a fun date night, a family dinner, or eating out while traveling. Knowing how to order food, talk to the waiter, and handle small problems makes everything so much easier and more enjoyable. No more pointing at the menu or feeling nervous.
Exactly. You'll feel confident, relaxed, and ready to enjoy every bite. Good food tastes even better when you can speak English naturally.
If you're enjoying these fun conversations and want more easy English lessons every week, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. It really helps us.
Thanks. Now let's jump into real restaurant situations. We'll role play together with short, natural dialogues. I'll be the customer sometimes, Mia will be the waiter, then we switch. We'll explain useful phrases and add some humor so it's easy to remember. Ready? Let's start.
Okay, Henry, you're the customer walking in. I'm the host.
Hi, table for two, please. No reservation today.
Welcome. We have space. Booth or window table?
Booth sounds great, thanks.
Right this way. Your server will be here soon.
Perfect.
See? Table for two is quick and clear. Right this way is friendly.
Now switch. Mia, you're the customer, I'm the server.
Hi. 2 menus, please, and sparkling water with lemon.
Absolutely. Drinks for you too?
Same for him. What are today's specials?
Grilled salmon or pasta carbonara.
The salmon, please. Medium, no mushrooms. I'm allergic.
No problem. And for you?
Chicken burger, medium rare, with fries.
Coming right up.
Pause. I'm allergic is important. Medium rare tells how you want meat cooked. Coming right up means soon.
True. Let's order more.
Could we start with bruschetta? It looks delicious.
Excellent. Main courses?
Grilled chicken with veggies, no mushrooms. Extra zucchini instead.
Got it. Medium well?
Yes, please. And extra pickles for him. He's obsessed.
You got it. Ketchup and mayo on the side.
Perfect, thank you.
On the side means separate. You got it is friendly waiter talk.
Now a funny problem. Food is cold.
Excuse me, my burger is cold in the middle. Could you warm it?
Oh, sorry. Fresh one right away. Bread while you wait?
Yes, please. You're helpful.
I hate to bother you keeps it polite and nice.
Switch. Everything tastes good except the pasta. Too salty.
I apologize. New plate with less salt or salmon instead? On the house.
Salmon, please. That's so kind.
On the house means free. Great for fixing mistakes.
Now paying time.
Excuse me, could we have the check?
Here's the bill. Tip included?
No, add it yourself. Card, please. Food was delicious.
Thank you. Come back soon.
Could we have the check? Is natural. In Canada, we say bill, too.
Let's do a full quick scene with humor.
Hi, table for two. I'm starving.
Menus here. Drinks?
2 iced teas. Pasta, but no onions. I hate onions.
Got it. Extra cheese?
Yes, please. I'm obsessed.
Later, this pasta is too salty.
Sorry, new one on the house.
You're the best.
Now, vocabulary time. Appetizer means starter. Entree is main course. Hits the spot means perfect. I'm stuffed means very full. To go means take home.
Doggy bag is fun for leftovers.
Let's practice a fast casual spot.
Number 3 combo. Cheeseburger, fries, Coke. Large fries?
Sure, swap Coke for milkshake? Extra napkins?
No problem. $12. Card?
Yes, senior discount for mom?
Applied. Thank you.
Swap for is easy to change orders.
Now, fancy style.
Good evening. Reservation for 2?
Wonderful. Coats? Champagne to start?
2 glasses, please. Delightful.
Wine list?
Yes, thank you. Would you care for sounds polite in fancy places?
Humor moment.
You ordered octopus but hate seafood.
Wait, change order? I misread the menu.
No worries. Chicken instead?
Yes, feel silly.
Happens to everyone.
Asking for help.
Can't decide. Recommend salmon or pasta?
Salmon is fresh caught, light and tasty.
Salmon, please.
Fresh caught and bestseller help you choose.
Date night connection.
This pasta is incredible. Glad we came together.
Me too. Romantic here. Split dessert?
Chocolate cake, 2 spoons.
Sharing food feels warm.
Here are group phrases.
Pass the salt?
Sure, hot sauce, bread basket, eating like it's going out of style.
Funny idiom.
Busy restaurant.
Waiting 20 minutes. Everything okay?
Sorry, slammed tonight. Free appetizers?
Great, thank you.
Slammed means very busy. Complimentary means free.
Family with kids.
Kids menu? Mini pizza and smiley fries.
High chair? Crayons too?
Yes, adorable.
Phone takeout.
Order for pickup. Chicken bowl, brown rice.
Extra broccoli? 20 minutes?
Name?
Thompson. Thanks.
Placing an order for pickup is useful.
Full combined role play now.
Hi, table for 2.
Booth, please.
Menus, drinks,
Sparkling water. Bruschetta to start.
specials,
Salmon for me. Medium. No mushrooms. Allergic.
burger for him, medium rare, extra pickles.
Later, pasta cold.
Fresh one on the house.
Check, please.
Here's the bill. Tip not included.
Card. Service top notch.
Come back soon.
That's a complete adventure.
Pause and repeat lines with us. Practice makes it natural.
We covered entry, ordering, problems, paying, casual, fancy, family, and more. Food connects people. Speak English and enjoy.
Try these phrases this week. Comment your favorite restaurant food or funny story. We read every one.
Thanks for watching. Keep practicing. Stay hungry for English.
Bye, everyone. Eat well and speak confidently.